Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Straightener 3000. The model number for this particular straightener is BHS736. There are a lot of information on this box. Over here it says that this particular straightener comes with SlikProtect technology, which minimizes heat exposure with smooth plates for silky, healthy looking hair. Also comes with ionic care for smooth and shiny hair, 60 seconds of warm-up, extra wide plates at 45mm plates, and ceramic keratin titanium plates for maximum effectiveness. That's all the information on the box. I will now open this and show you what's inside. Okay, so there's some specifications over here as well. A couple of things to note is that it comes with a 1.8 meter long cord. This straightener also runs on 110 to 240 volts of power. This product also comes with 2 years of warranty, and over here it's written 210 degrees Celsius, which means that when the plates warm up, that's the temperature it reaches. So that's the highest temperature. I'll now open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a user manual for the BHS736. This is a very important document. This comes with a lot of information like how to straighten your hair, warranty service, do's and don'ts, tips and different tips and advices, etc. It's a very important document. You should not lose this. And this is what the BHS736 straightener from Philips looks like. It comes with a matte black finish, has this design on it as well. It looks pretty sleek and elegant. So these are the ceramic keratin titanium plates, which reaches a maximum temperature of 210 degrees Celsius in less than 60 seconds. So one thing you should keep in mind, one thing you should always notice, that never to touch this particular area even after you have finished using it. Once you removed it from your power source, even then you should keep it away for a while and let it cool down. There are two heat settings over here as well, as you can see. And finally we have a 1.8 meter long power cord. You can see there's a 1.8 meter long PVC power cord. It also comes with a 360-degree swivel at the end of the straightener. And at the other end of the power cable we have a 2-pin jack. You can see. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips Straightener 3000. The model number is BHS736. Thank you for watching.